Hi guys, today in this video I will suggest you top 4 TV shows you can watch in Netflix. So, let's start. Number 1, Fargo. Fargo is an American black comedy crime drama anthology TV series created by Noah Hawley. Anthology TV series is a TV series that presents a different story and a different set of characters in each episode or season. Fargo is inspired by a 1996 film of same name written and directed by the Coen brothers. Fargo have 3 seasons. You should watch this show if you are interested in crime drama. Number 2 is Dark. Dark is a science fiction thriller series co-created by Baron B. Odor and Janche Fries, and the main focus of this show is time travel. Oh, but not like that. However, anyway, back to the main topic. It is originally a German series, but if you want to avoid subtitled reading, you can also watch this in English. Set in the fictional German town of Winden, Dark concerns the aftermath of a children's disappearance, which exposes the secrets of and hidden connections among 4 estranged families as they slowly unravel a sinister time travel conspiracy which spans several generations. Throughout the series, Dark explores the existential implications of time and its effects upon human nature. It has 3 seasons and it is extremely mind-bending. Extremely!
You're goddamn right.
In this science fiction series, you can watch mind-blowing thrill, extreme plot twist, passionate love between characters, overall a great use of time and space as a subject to create super complicated but worth watching TV series. Now, number 3 is Black Mirror is an anthology television series created by Charlie Brooker. Unlike Fargo, this dystopian science fiction series have standalone episodes, those usually set in an alternative present or the near future, often with a dark and satirical tone. Black Mirror was inspired by older anthology series such as The Twilight Zone. You should watch Black Mirror, which shows us how machine and technology can manipulate modern day life and the conflict between human nature and artificial intelligence. Some notable episodes are The National Anthem, The Entire History of You, White Bear, White Christmas, San Junipero, Metalhead, and so on. This series have 5 seasons, and when you complete any one episode of this series, I assure you it will provoke your thought process. Everything I have talked about so far is more or less categorized in thriller genre, but the show I am going to talk about now is not a thriller. So, the number 4 is Perfect Black Comedy, which follows the awkward love story between James and Eliza. Primarily, in this show, James is a psychopath who deep fry his hand in childhood to feel something.
What the fuck?
And Eliza is a misfit teenage girl. All of a sudden, when they acquainted with each other, James thought he would kill her to feel some excitement, and that's why he kept pretending to be her boyfriend. After that, somehow they went out on a road trip, and this is where the unexpected incidents begins. It have 2 seasons, and it's a binge watch series which was crafted so perfectly. You should watch this to know how they fall in love, and I think you will enjoy the weird manners of these characters and their awkward circumstances. So guys, this is my recommendations of top 4 TV shows you should watch. And if you enjoyed my video, please like, comment and subscribe in my channel. Bye bye.
I'll be back.